Welcome to Let Me Know YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Good morning students. Welcome to the next class. So here today we are going to discuss about how we are going to compare the fractions. Comparison of fractions. So to compare the fractions we need to learn another thing is LCM. This is nothing but least common multiple. Okay, what is mean by LCM? Least common multiple. So to compare the fractions, what is the relation between that fraction and this LCM, sir? That we are going to see now. Okay, see the example 1 by 2 comma 3 by 4. Which is the greater one? Which is greater? So by observing the two fractions, these two fractions are unlike fractions because 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. The denominator of 1 by 2 is 2 and the denominator of 3 by 4 is 4. So 2, 4. Both are difference. That's why if denominators are difference, then we can say that these two are unlike fractions. So if the given fractions are unlike, how we are going to compare them? Okay, to make them like fractions first, okay, to compare that unlike fractions, first we have to take them like fractions. First of all, we have to take the two denominators and we have to take the LCM. Okay, we have to take the LCM of the two denominators. To make two unlike fractions into like fractions, we have to take the denominators of two given fractions. So what are the given fractions denominators? 2 and 4. So we have to take the LCM of denominators. So how we are going to do the LCM? Here we this LCM topic we have another chapter like LCM and HCF. There we have to learn types of techniques to get the LCM. Here I am going with only division method. Okay, in that particular topic LCM and HCF we are going to learn complete techniques of LCMs. Okay, here I am going with only division method. So in division method, how we are going to do LCM of a given fraction, given denominators? So the denominators are 2 and 4. Write 2 and 4 in a box like this, and you have to take first prime number. What is the first prime number? 2. Divide that given fraction denominators with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Is there any number is dividing further? No, because we are already get these two, 1 and 2 directly. So now you just multiply the given values in this order: 2 into 1 into 2, 2 into 1 into 2, like alphabetical. In that pattern you have to multiply to get the LCM. So 2 into 1 into 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4 only. Okay, LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Then make given fractions denominators equal to LCM. So what is the LCM you are getting here? 4. Make this denominator equal to 4 and make this denominator equal to 4. For that what we have to do, sir? So divide and multiply this fraction 1 by 2 with 2. Divide and multiply this 1 by 2 with 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Next, here already in denominator we have 4. For that, divide and multiply this 3 by 4 with 1 by 1. So 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now the given two fractions are in the form of like fractions, 2 by 4 comma 3 by 4. Okay. So if already we converted the unlike fractions into like fractions, unlike fractions into like fractions, then how we are going to compare that like fractions? We have a simple phenomenon is that when the denominators are same, the denominators are same, then fraction with greater numerator is greater and fraction with smaller numerator is smaller. Fraction with greater numerator is greater. Okay, fraction with greater numerator is greater than smaller numerator with is smaller. Okay, so check the fractions 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. So which one is a greater numerator? 3 is a greater one. So 3 by 4 is a greater fraction. 2 by 4 is a smaller fraction. In this way we need to compare the fractions. See another example. So compare 5 by 6 comma 7 by 8. Okay, so these here also observe these two are unlike fractions. First of all, to compare unlike fractions we need to make them as like fractions. For that we need to take the LCM of 6 as well as 8. Here I did LCM. See that 6 comma 8. So first prime number is 2. Divide with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So 3 and 4 will not come in any one table. That's why leave it up to that level. Just leave the division and multiply all the values in this order in L. Okay, in L order you just multiply the remaining numbers. So 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 3 4s are 24. What is the LCM of 6 and 8? 24. Okay, now we need to make this 6 and this 8 as 24. For that I am taking 5 by 6 is a number. I am multiplying and dividing with 4 to make the numerator equal to 24. Okay, 5 6 are 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. Next, 7 by 8. 7 by 8 into, I am dividing and multiply with the same number, 3 by 3 to make this 8 equal to 24. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. So 20 by 24 comma 21 by 24. Okay, next now these two fractions equal to, compare the two fractions now, 20 by 24 comma 21 by 24. These two are like fractions because 24 24 same denominators. So when the like fraction, for the like fractions we need to compare After getting the like fractions, we need to compare the fractions by knowing methods. What is that knowing method, sir? If denominators are same, the greater numerator fraction is greater and the lesser numerator fraction is lesser. By that we can say that 21 by 24 is a greater fraction and 20 by 24 is a lesser fraction. Okay, so that means 20 by 24 less than 21 by 24. So these are the in this method we are going to compare the fractions. We have another method also to compare the fractions. That method is nothing but we need to change the fractional number into a decimal number, then we need to compare the fractions that we see in our decimals topic. Okay, up to this level we just go with this method only. To compare the fractions we are using LCM. Make unlike fractions into like fractions, then compare. Okay, that's all for today. I'm going to give you the worksheet. This is a worksheet. Complete this worksheet. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.